Hello everyone, I am Jeena Saji. So, we are going to learn about the discounting principle. So, before that, you should know about the time value of money. So, what is time value of money? Time value of money means the money you have now is worth more than the identical sum you receive in future due to its potential earning capacity. I will explain you with a simple example. Let's go back to 10 years before. So, in 2010, how much chocolates will you get for ₹1? I will say a maximum of 2 chocolates, right? So what happens in the present scenario? How many chocolates will you receive for ₹1? Maximum of 1 chocolate, right? So what happened is that the rupee has lost its purchasing power. So this may happen due to so many reasons, and one of the most important reasons is inflation. Inflation means rise in prices, or we can say too much money chasing too few goods. So when year passes by, the amount or quantity we receive will not be same for a certain amount. So I will give you another example to connect with the definition. Suppose someone gives you 2 options. The first option is he will give ₹1,000 today. The second option is he will give the same amount after 1 year. Which option will you choose? Second option? Definitely not. I will not choose the second option. Why? Because if I receive that ₹1,000 today, suppose if I invested it in a bank and that bank offers me 10% of interest for 1 year. So, after 1 year, how much money will I receive? 1,100, right? So, if I choose the first option, I will receive 1,100 after a year. What happens if I choose the second option? I will receive only 1,000, right? So the definition is, time value of money means the money you have now is worth more than an identical sum in the future due to its potential earning capacity. I hope it's clear. There are 2 techniques to determine the time value of money. One is compounding and another is discounting. So what is discounting? Discounting is a process of determining the present value of a payment or a stream of payment that is to be received in the future. Or we can say, we are finding the present value in terms of the future cash flows. Here we have an equation for discounting principle, that is, present value equal to future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n. Here, PV is the present value, FE is the future value, R is the discount rate and N is the number of years. Let's take you for an example.
We are finding the present value in terms of future cash flows. Let's look at this example. If ₹1,000 be received after 2 years, assuming a discount rate of 10%, what is the present value? First, write the equation, that is PV equal to FV divided by 1 plus R raised to N. Here we have to find out the present value. So future value equal to ₹1,000. R is equal to the rate of discount, that is 10%. N is the number of years, that is 2 years. So when we substitute the equation, we will get PV equal to 1000 by 1 plus 0.1 raised to 2. That is 1000 by 1.21. So we will get 826.44. Here, 826.44 is the present value. That means, if we invest 826 rupees at 10% interest today, you will get ₹1,000 after 2 years. So this is called the discounting principle. Here we are finding out the present value. Thank you for watching.